Guys, welcome to this ALX Hello Tax Part 2. In the previous part, we stopped at question number 3. Yeah, and this part will be moving fully into this question. This place, you say, write a C program that prints exactly this. So programming is like building a multilingual puzzle followed by a line. So the instruction says use the function puts. You're not allowed to use printf. Your program should end with the value 0. So what you have to do is I want to use a text editor Replit. So if you are new to Replit, you can just go to replit.com, create an account, and you'll be able to use it. So this what I'll be using. Let me create this file. The name of the file, say for puts here. But don't forget, doing your own is you have to go to your sandbox and follow the normal step you have been doing right from the beginning. So, but I want to show you how the program works before going to the sandbox to complete the task. So here, let me create a file and name and put the name over here. So yeah, the first thing you have to do is the header, put the header, which is include standard library. So an input, output, and inputs library like this. Then you need to add comments about what your program is all about. How do you add our comments? Let's add a block comment over here, and you'll be able to tell what your program is doing. And the next is let's go into writing the actual code. Int main, yeah. So like this, we are asked to write a C program that prints exactly this. So and we are only required to use puts. So what this is a simple program. What you have to do is just you have declared the main function, inside the main function, say puts, sorry. Then you can copy this, put this program, copy exactly this, because that's what they ask you to do. Then paste it over here. Don't forget. Then return statements, which is 0, returning it. Yeah, and if you run this program now, let's run this file now. You can see I'm getting the right output over here. So that's all you are asked to do. So what you have to do is just okay, write the comments. The comment we explain main your function. Sorry, a function that prints exactly that print this out. Can put it like this. So the return type is int. Say it returns 0. It does not have any argument, and this is all you are required to do in this task. So move on to your sandbox, then create the file vi for puts, click on it, uh, and you see this is exactly what you need. Yeah, it's exactly what you need. And check very well. Okay, you can see there is a question mark over here. So you need to include that. How do you include that? Go to your program, and here you add a backslash, then quotation mark. So this is a special character we use to escape other special characters. We use backslash to escape quotation characters, special characters like this. So when you run your program, you can see the quotation mark is included on this string. So that's all you have to do on this. Look at this very well. You can follow this, and when you run your program and run your code checker, and everything will pass successfully. So the next is 5. 5 says 5 says write a program that prints exactly this and followed by a new line. So the instruction says use the printf. You are not allowed to use the puts. Then your program should return 0, and your program should compile without, yeah, this blah blah blah. So the same thing. What the only thing you have to change in this particular program is instead of using puts over here, you use printf. Print printf. Instead of using put, use printf. So when you run this program, let's see, you can see the same thing, and just go back, copy this particular one they ask you to do, copy it, then paste on this, paste it here, yeah, and you are good to go. Run it again, yeah, you are good to go. That's it. Go to your sandbox, create the file, copy the way you used to create the file, vi file, then move into, you can see the same thing, check the thing, and everything will be okay. Don't forget, there's one thing again, followed by followed by new line, followed by new line, followed by new line. So what you have to do here is go to your code and add backslash n, backslash n. This will make it to move to the new line. So this, okay, let's run it. See, you see the difference. You can see now this cursor will move it to move the cursor to the new line. And that's all you are required to do there. Then you can exit the editor and run your check. And that's all. So let's move to this sixth line, sixth question. So write a C program that prints the size of various types of the computer in a compile on this. Then you should produce the exact same output as it is in the example. So let's move on to question number 6. How do you see program that prints the size of various types on the computer it is compiled on and run? So you should produce the exact same output as in the example. So what is required here is, look at the example here. You should produce this size of a character 1 byte, size of int 4 bytes, size of long int 4 bytes, size of long int 8 bytes, and size of floats 4 bytes. So this is what you are required to do here. Is for you to calculate the size of all the data type in C, the size of character, the size of int, size of long int, size of this, and the rest of them. So what you have to do is go to your program, sorry, replace, um, is there any constraint? No? So use printf. So what you need to do is go to your program, then okay, you are done with this, then can equally use this. Let's use this again, demonstrate how it's going to work. See, yeah, let's delete this. So see, it should look like this exactly. So what we're going to do is say printf, then this. So go to this, copy them, just copy it exactly. Paste it here. And this place, you have digits here. Use these digits and use the size of function. So, size of character. So size of channel. When you print this out, let's run it and see. Okay, now put the semicolon. Run it again. You can see size of character is 1 byte. You are done with that. Go to the next one the same way you did that. Okay, duplicate this, copy it, paste, size of quotes, size of an int. So paste this over here. remove this and place your D, your format specifier, and instead of character over here, put int. The same way again, and just put this into many places so we can work with them so fast. So go back again. Size of long int is this. Copy it, then over this place, replace it. So replace it, then remove this number over here and place this here. Should be long int, long int, long int, and the next one is the size of long, it's 8 bytes. Then go here, move it, paste it, then remove this, place your specifier. Then instead of long, say long int, long int. Paste it here. Here should long int, long int, long int. Then the next one is the size of floats is 4 bytes, and come over to this place, replace this, and you have floats. Remove this, say floats. So yeah, that's all we have to do. Okay, now remove this AD, remove the 4 and put the specifier there. So what this actually do is this function size of returns the size of this data type, which is character, and this size of int returns the size of int data type, and rest of it, that's how it returns the size of particular anything you give to it, any argument you pass to this function. So let's run the program and see. So you forget to add new line. All of them you want them to print the new line. Forget add a new line /n, add /n, so /n and /n. So when you run the program again, yeah, you get exactly this. You can see it, get exactly that which is written over here, exactly what you want there. So that's all you are required to do there. So that's all about this. So what you have to do is go to your project, create the file, go to your sandbox, create the file vi6, then you enter. So that's it. This is all you have to do there, and you'll be good to go. Then can run your program, your checker. Don't forget to push to your repo, git add, git commit, and git push. And go back and run your checker. Your check your code by clicking here, and everything will pass.